Hi friends! So I have been experimenting trying to make a dairy-free yogurt from home because our whole family is dairy-free, especially my kiddos. They tend to get really congested and sick if they're eating dairy consistently, and so I try to swap out as many alternatives as possible. And I finally mastered making coconut milk yogurt from home, which is awesome because it's so healthy, so beneficial for their bodies, their guts, and at the store it costs like an absorbent amount per jar, so it saves a ton of money making it at home. It's actually one of the easiest recipes I have ever made. I did not expect it to be so easy, and so I'm going to share with you guys what I do. So first and foremost, you want to get a can of coconut milk. Now, the kind that you get is really important. This is the Thai Kitchen brand. I've also heard that the Whole Foods 365 brand is important, but the three ingredients that you want on there are the coconut, water, and guar gum. You want to make sure that it has the guar gum. I made the mistake the first time of not using one with guar gum. I used the Trader Joe's brand, and it just separated. The guar gum really helps hold it all together. So I'm pouring it into my Vitamix right now. You don't need a high-powered blender. You can just literally whisk it together in whatever you want to, or just shake it together in the jar that you end up putting it in. But I'm going to pour my can into my blender, and then I have 2 probiotic capsules that I'm going to add as well. The probiotic that you use is also really important. So you want to make sure that it has above 50 billion CFU per capsule, and you're going to use 2 capsules. So I'm just going to go ahead and break them open and put it in there. The brand that I have is Nature's Way. I'll show you guys up close. Nature's Way Women's. And I also had read on a couple blogs that sometimes a women's one works a lot better than a men's one. I have no idea why, but maybe just buy the Nature's Way women one because you know it works. So next up, I just have vanilla extract. I'm just gonna put just a splash of vanilla extract, and then I'm going to pop it on my blender for 1 second and just mix it up really quickly. Okay. It's all mixed together. I have a glass jar right here. I'm just going to pour it into my glass jar. And then I have cheesecloth. I'm going to put the cheesecloth on top of it. And then you can just either use a rubber band. I like to use the parts of the jar lid. Screw it on. And then you're gonna let this sit on your counter for 48 hours. Once the 48 hours are up, I recommend refrigerating for at least 8 hours. I like to just start mine at night so that it ends right before I go to bed. The 48-hour time period is up. I pop it in the fridge and it's ready to go for the next day. So this is the simple coconut yogurt. It turns out to be a really great consistency. It's very thick, like Greek yogurt actually, once you refrigerate it. And you can top it and flavor it however you want to. It's great with fresh fruit, a little bit of honey, whatever you want. So best of luck. Let me know how your creations turn out.